Hi friends, how are you guys doing today? This is Teresa Louise and welcome to my sewing room. And today I wanted to share with you my Liberty box from the Fat Quarter Shop. There we go. There you go. And I'm not too sure if I should be disappointed or not because look at this little box. Here's the regular box. Anyway, let's get it open and see what's inside, shall we? I am going to put on my glasses, and I am also going to open this box. Alright, glasses on. Alright, let's see if I can get this box open. Okay, here we go. This was a special order box. And you had to get the email. And I think the people who subscribe to the regular monthly one get the emails. Okay, are you ready? I'll bring you down just a little bit more. Okay, here we go. Ta-doo! Oh, wow. What have we got in there? Cool. Looks like a little pin cushion. And looks like we got a hanger. Oh, that's cute. And this looks like a label. And then we got a pattern. Stars and stripes. Look, I love that pattern. That's pretty. And then we got some fabric. It feels like there's, looks like there's cardboard in there. And then we also got an All Stars 25% off of jelly rolls and 2.5-inch strips. Oops, I hope I didn't show you that promo code. If I did, I'll have to block it out. Not that I don't think you could use it anyway. And let's see, it says that the box value is $38. And I know I paid $30 and some odd cents, and that included the shipping. So I want to probably say this was about the same as the Sew Sampler box. $24.99 maybe. Let's see what we got here. I think there might be a panel. I don't know what it is. Some 2.5-inch strips anyway. And this is Sweetwater. Called Branded. 100% cotton. Oh, those are pretty. Oh, wow. I'm guessing there might be 20 strips in here, but could be more. And this looks like a panel of some sort. Yep, just a piece of cardboard. Oh, look at that. America, the land that I love. Freedom. Liberty. Land of the free. Cool. Very nice. And then we got is there two of those? Oh. One strip. Let's put them out here. This is pretty. of sticking to itself. It's really pretty. This is like a light denim blue. It's pretty too. It's all pretty. With words on it. I like that one. And then the reds. Pretty. This one has little flowers. This is bob wire. And then another one with words. Okay. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 strips. Let's look at this. Cute little pin cushion. That's really cute. Okay, I don't see a card in here. It tells you what's in the box. Did you guys see that? Let's see. This quilt finishes at 34.5 by 34.5. And I'm not sure what is this panel for this to make these and put that in there. I don't know. I don't see anything here telling you that. Let's see. Petite branded jelly roll with custom panel. It's a box exclusive. 6-star decorative craft hanger with dowel. Star bright, star light for star. I frame tonight. This 6-inch wide craft hanger is fitted with a strong star on top, and we love it to display extra pieces from the exclusive branded panel that is included in your box. Okay, so yeah, that's the idea. Then you get, a Sweetwater label. That's what this was. And then there's also a card back here. Sweetwater card. And a red gingham pin cushion. And then the Stars and Stripes quilt pattern. Yeah, so I showed you that. Alright, that is what was in the box. Pattern, put that there, and the label. What do you guys think? Did you like this box? Yeah, yeah, I think it's cute. I think it's cute stuff. Yeah, I think I might try that project one of these days. Or I'll just put it in with the rest of my projects, you know. You know me. Anyway, what do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the Liberty Box. Did you guys get it? Do you wish you would have got it and you didn't get it? I do like this pincushion. I'm going to use it downstairs, I think. Yeah. Anyway, well, that's it for me. I'm going to go now because I have got lots to do. And yeah, I got a mess too. Well, so glad that you guys stopped by. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and ring the bell so you know when I post a new video. And share the video with your friends. Okay, you guys, so get out there and make something and go have a great day. Bye for now.